All right, guys, welcome to this week's episode of Tech Tip Happy Hour. Today we're going to talk about 2FA, or two-factor authentication. So what does this mean? So an additional factor to when you log into something would be either an email or a text message or a code on an application. Everybody's pretty familiar with these now. From your financial institutions were the first ones to implement something like this. So why is two-factor authentication important? Well, when you go to log into an account and you're just using a password, it's more than likely, if that password is leaked somewhere, that anybody anywhere in the world can easily enter that password and have access to your account. So by using a second factor, such as a text message or an email to your email address, it makes it much harder for these malicious actors to get access to your accounts, and it makes the chances of this happening cut in half when you use two-factor authentication. So we really recommend that people use this on almost any account you can out there, because it makes the account so much more secure. Everybody knows it's a little annoying, and it takes an extra 10 seconds to log in, but the security you gain in doing this is very important. And typically, if you're talking about your email or your 365 environment, to enable 2FA is usually not that difficult, and your IT provider or your MSP should be able to do this relatively easy. So today, in honor of two-factor authentication, we're going to make a drink called Tutti Frutti. So we're going to take our martini glass here, and we have our ice shaker. This is a relatively easy drink to make here. So we got 2 ounces of vodka, whatever your favorite vodka is. Okay. And then we got 1/3 of an ounce of passion fruit syrup here. This stuff smells awesome. And then we're going to take 3 dashes of orange bitters. All right. Then we're going to shake all this up here. We're just going to strain this into our martini glass here. And there we go, the Tutti Frutti. All right, guys, we'll see you next week.